In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can refund PS5 games. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before even requesting a refund, there is a couple of important requirements you should know. The refund request must be made within 14 days of purchasing the game. Second, you must not have downloaded or played the game for a significant amount of time. If the game have already been downloaded or launched for a specific amount of time, and usually that's around 1 to 2 to even 4 hours, you may no longer be eligible for a refund. Now, to actually get the refund, you can't do it on your PS5. You actually have to do it directly on a secondary device like a web browser on a PC or web browser on a phone or tablet. So go ahead and get on one of those. I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this, but you could really use whatever you'd like. Essentially, what you need to do is go to Google and search for PlayStation refunds. Select PS Store and refunds up at the very top. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And then make sure you're signed into your account up in the very top right. I'm already signed in, so I'm going to skip that tab. From here, go ahead and select refunds. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select how to request a refund and then go to transaction history, just like so. Now, once you're on transaction history, it's going to load on this page over here. You're going to want to find whatever game you want to refund. For example, It Takes Two, because I just bought this from me and my girlfriend. Essentially, you're going to want to select request refund on this right here. And depending on if you met the requirements, they'll go ahead and return the money to your original payment method, or you can also get it returned as credit as well. Now, processing times may vary, but refunds usually are completed within a few business days, so just keep that in mind. But that is it. That is how you can request a refund of a PS5 game. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.